It's all of that you could do on the fly in the room. And so being able to use Ableton when they go, okay, now there's a foghorn. They don't give you warning necessarily. You just go, oh, I have to load a foghorn into Ableton so that the next time we do this scene, I'm playing a foghorn. And so when you're in that chair for sound effects, having Ableton at your disposal or having a software at your disposal, for me, it's Ableton, is is huge because you could bring your sound effects library, you can make sounds in advance that might fit the show. And they go, okay, we're gonna have this type of thing, or what does this character sound like? And being able to use the electronics, it allows you to do things very quickly